New at 8 o'clock, another whale has washed up on a Bay Area beach, this time on Pacifica State Beach near Lindemar Boulevard.
KRON 4's Amanda Harry is there live after speaking with the man that actually spotted the whale while it was still in the water. Amanda.
Justine, I spoke to a few people here. Some told me they were saddened by this sight. Others were just amazed. If you take a look, that whale is right behind me here. It's that mass you see in the water. It looks a little beat up. Some people I spoke to said they saw birds eating it, and that may be why it looks like that.
It's beautiful. I mean, to have a chance to go ahead and see something that up close like that.
Daniel Esparza is a whale enthusiast. He first arrived at Pacifica State Beach early this morning to watch the whales in the distance. Then he saw this one floating in the water.
500 yards out, I was tracking him.
He says at first he was unsure what it was, but knew it was headed towards this stretch of beach near Lindemar Boulevard.
If it's a whale, it's going to hit our beach. So, yeah, it's a sight to see. It doesn't happen every day.
Esparza wasn't the only one taking in the sight. Dozens of people gathered around the whale as it rolled in the waves.
Seeing something like this for the first time is crazy.
Some were unsure what they were looking at first.
I thought it was maybe like a block of sand or something, but we got closer and it was a whale.
Alexia Ventura and Michael Valverde are visiting from Stockton. They say they couldn't imagine seeing something like this, and it breaks their hearts.
It's sad. It's really sad because, you know, I hear about like, oh, beach whales and everything, but to see it in person, like what I would think, like, what are you supposed to do to help, you know?
What people can do if they see a whale like this is contact the Marine Mammal Center. They did come out to check on this whale behind me, and they're not going to be doing an autopsy because it is so decomposed.
Amanda, does the Marine Mammal Center have any idea why these whales are dying?
Some of them, they do have some idea. Others, they can't do an autopsy just like this one here. But for the ones they do an autopsy on, sometimes it comes back that it's because of a ship strike or a suspected ship strike. That would be the most common cause of death. Live in Pacifica, Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.